Do you believe in Zeus?
No.
Do you believe in Apollo?
No.
Do you believe in Thor?
No.
Do you believe in Vishnu?
No.
Do you believe in Wotan?
No.
Venus?
No.
Ra?
No.
Isis?
No.
Jupiter?
No.
Cernunnos?
No.
Hod?
No.
Garuda?
No.
Uzume?
No.
Yuhuang?
No.
Sol?
No.
Osiris?
No.
Orgelmir?
No.
Mithras?
No.
Ishtar?
No.
Iris?
No.
Chak?
No.
Davlin?
No.
Minerva?
No.
Rama?
No.
Volturnus?
No.
Chenghuan?
No.
Caridwen? Artemis?
No.
Baal? Atlas? Chemosh?
No.
Loki? Poseidon? Sirona? Hoderi? Dionysus?
No.
Yahweh?
No.
Yahweh?
No.
Atheist! Where do you get your morality Well, who from? created the world Your then? religion's It's so evolution. intolerant. Fool says in his heart there is no God. Well, why is You're murder bad unpatriotic. then? Closed-minded. You're no better
Why
than
aren't
you
they
have
still
faith in
evolving
science.
then,
How could
huh?
all of this
You
have
can't
occurred by
disprove
random
Takes
chance?
more faith to be an atheist.
You're
But the
unpatriotic.
second law of
Who created the
thermodynamics
world?
states
Why
that
is
the
murder
entropy of an
bad
isolated
then?
system